wemuntu othi spiritually awaken usilelwe inselelo enkulu kabi ngoba ukusha kwakho inhlungu odlula kuyo wena it's for the benefit of yourself and others. Uyabona uma umuntu othi spiritual awakening ngiyacela ngiyazi ukuthi lolu hambo alukho lula kodwa luhambe ungagcini wena uba uthisha nje ofundisayo uba uthisha ofundisayo into yena angayenzi ngoba kunomehluko phakathi kwementor nothisha. Uthisha ukufundisa into ayi-understandayo angazi azayenze yena imentor iyenzile leyo nto. Yabona ngitshele mina lolu hambo njoba lingelula nje kunendawo odlula kuzona wena ocijwa kuzo for the benefit of someone else nawe ngaphezulu ngoba uma ngabe ungezukuyenza lento oyikhulumayo lento othi uyiyona you are not doing justice to yourself and to others as well, because ungamlapha kanjani omunye umuntu into wena ongayazi ongazange uzudlule kuyona because you don't even know how it feels like. So you are not doing justice if you just become a walking library ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazili uyabona. Cheka lana ke. Uyabona my spiritual father, my spiritual guide uKimpaka. Nganga understand ukuthi mayethi kuyingqinamba kwakuyingqinamba kuyena ukuthi kulethe umuntu egula umuntu ephelile umuntu athi uzomvusa phambi kwabantu bebuka lonto ayilula and kwakuyingqinamba yakhe kwakuhambo lwakhe kumele thalinqobe ukuze akhomele alinyuke kwi level abekele level akuyona yena kwakudinga ukuthi ame ayenze lonto ayilula. Uyazi ukuthi ngibona ngani ukuthi ayilula? Yabona njengamanje kunosisi la owehlelwe isehlo sokuthi azithole eba nomzimba umzimba wakhe ushintshe ube umzimba umuntu osemdala oyisaguga intombazane esencane ena 31 ushintsha umzimba wayo. Lokho yakugula scientifically ku genetic lokho akugula lokho it has to do with ama genes yabo but uyazi umuntu o spiritual ufundile uyazi ukuthi meditation how far can it go yabo uyazi ukuthi meditation certain meditation techniques can heal and repair your DNA yawazi lokho can repair your DNA but lonto ibibiza ukuthi kube ukuthi wena umuntu spiritual owazi ukuthi kuno pranayama kuno chakra balancing kuno lokungana kuno form of meditation zathi la beka umqondo endaweni ethi lokwazi ukuthi uzihile wona because into elaphayo umzimba uyazilapha wona ulashwa umqondo you elevate your mind to a certain degree bese umqondo wakho lapha umzimba yabo into eyenzeka lawo leyo. Uyazi ukuthi bekuzoba ingqinamba kuwe umuntu ukuthi uthi njengamanje phela kuso masikhuluma ngengqinamba kuso sekuyinto emethu inqobe kanje obhekene nayo ukuze ukhuphuka. Uma uthi umsebenzi wenzile enough wena in your spiritual practices uwenzile long enough wathembeka kuwena wayenza into wazi wayibona wangaba i walking library and a teacher nje only but waba a living testimony as well as a role model. Lunzima lunjalo lo hambo ibizothinto ngicela ukumelapha mina usisi ngicela ninginikeze 3 days noma ninginikeze 7 days ngoba you know what you are talking about and you have done it usulahambile lolu hambo. Indaba ngikuvezele lento ngikuvezela lento ukukuvezela ukuthi uma uba honest ohambeni lakho lunzima lunjalo uphokophela kulona ulwa ngoba izona izinto emele siyifune lezo uba nama proofs ezinto ezisebenzayo kulendlela and awusabi bese ithi into ongivuma phambi kwabantu nami ngomvuma phambi kwabantu ongiphika phambi kwabantu nami ngomphika futhi usuke usumi kanje uthi bantu bukani nonke ngimelapha ngoba ngiyayazi lento engikhuluma ngayo ngiyenzile ngilihambile luhambo lungelula lunjalo but I know how things work because umqondo laphayo olapha umuntu umqondo ngamelapha umuntu la isimo sikasisi asidingi umuntu ochansayo lesi simo lesi bangeza nje abantu bezo advertise beyiveza ukuthi bekhona abanye bebazi kahle ukuthi nothing much they can do they know exactly ukuthi ayikho into abangayenza la but just for the sake ukuthi bevele nabo ukuthi bavelile bakhona for sake of marketing siyakubona ke lokho but into engikhuluma ngayo la mina ile ukuthi manje ngibhekene nana ingqinamba ukuthi kumele ngiyoprove ukuthi amandla akhe ayasebenza yini because wena usukuzothatha umqondo kasisi ubeke ku quantum field the unifying field that is able to heal the body lezo zinto siyazazi lezo zinto kodwa uhambe sisalihambile mina njengami nje alungivumeli yini ningangivumeli angakafiki kuleso sigaba leso kumele uqale ufike la kuwe Mele uqala ufike la kuwe kulezo igaba zokuthi wena you can do these things to people. Hayi labantu abaskema abanye abantu la ku social media azi kahle ukuthi lento ayiphethe naye akayigaranti kodwa ahamba uyodayisela umuntu ngefaith ukuthi mhlambe lo izomsebenzela lento uyachansa. Uthatha ama chance. Yabo? Uthatha ama chance. Mina nangu change zakhasha ngokwe level yami ngibasizile abantu mina ngezinto engikhulumile into engishilo nezinto engizibonile nengidlulile kuzona basizakela abanye abantu la ngoba bengikhuluma ngento engiyenzile by then I did those things I know what took me from this point to this point and I told people and people implemented that bayabuya besho la nibawona ama comment abo niyawabona yesenye isigaba ke lesi esibhekene nosisi njengamanje esidinga ukuthi uma kuukuthi njengamanje amandla onawo useyawathemba you can perform miracles again sithoyifuna induku akayithathe ngoba phela akukho angeka kulungise yebo ngiyazi siyazi ukuthi ingqondo yona quantum computer that is responsible for everything kuyimanje ama genes gases they keep replicating themselves the defective one they keep replicating themselves and ingqondo yakwazi ukuthi uyithathe uyibeke kwi-position la khona ingqondo izokwazi ukuhila umzimba release ama neurotransmitters and biochemicals that are going to repair the DNA into ekwazi ukwenzeka lo umbuzo uthi ungama nje amanje uthi akwenzeke uyayithatha leli joka uyabheka uyayithatha lengqinamba uyabhekana nayo uyayinqoba ngoba i-victory lapha inkulu kakhulu omlaleli uking bhaka methi ngihambile ngibonile ngizenzile leyanto isho ukuthini ngihambile ngibonile ngizenzile ngiyazi yes awukufuneka ukuchance la ka spiritual asihlawumbiseli awuchance awuthatha ama chance la mina awule invite mhlawumbe makwenzeka kuba ukuthi abasondelene nosisi bayakwazi ukuthi bebone le video noma yena herself qobo uyakwazi ukubona le video ukunokuthi mina ngithatha ingqinamba mhlawumbe mina ngalosheni wami ebengingakwenza ilokho ngoba mina into engisalapha engaya abantu ikona ukukhuluma kanje so far into engiyazi but engikwazile ukwenza kumina ngikushilo bakwenza abanye I'll invite usisi ukuthi vele isikhathi iyona into asezoba nayo manje ever since even the motto is not easy kuyena and emotion kungelula ukuhamba I'll invite her ukuthi afunde noma lalela ama audiobooks athile aphathelene nalolu hlobo lwezinto esikhuluma ngazo ngoba engawucondition umqondo wakhe ukuzilapha yena over time and lento engishoyo into engenzeka ngoba umqondo iwona okwazi ukulapha umuntu uxhumene ne-quantum field that is pulling okay angandi kakhulu ngoba isikhathi sesiyangishaya mhlawumbe akalalele nje i-audiobook kaJoe Dispenza eyodwa ethi Becoming Supernatural lo ncwadi ayithole nje ku YouTube ayilalele i10 hours mangingaphosisi lapha na YouTube alalele yona makuthi umuntu uthanda ukulalela ayifunde ayidownload makuthi umuntu uthanda ukufunda vele isikhathi ngicabanga ukuthi yona into asezoba nayo because it doesn't cost a thing even to try this won't cost even a thing yabo isikhathi sesingishayile awul want to go further ake ngivale la kwamanje